Hey, hello. So today I thought let's have a guitar tutorial just to learn how to play a guitar, which is something good. I know many people out there wants to learn how to play a guitar, but sometimes it can be so difficult, especially if you don't have anyone to show you around the guitar. So we'll be quick, just a quick tutorial how to play a guitar. This is the G major scale is what we're going to do today. In particular, tangent, we'll look at some songs that are very popular in the G major scale. So we will do pay particular attention to a song which is one of my favorite by the South African female artist called Zahara, and the name is called Lolilwe. It is a nice song and it was played in the G major scale. So look at the G major scale, paying particular attention to Zahara's Lolilwe. There are also other nice tracks that were done in the G major scale. So let's go. So the first thing you need to do when you have a guitar is to make sure that your guitar is in tune. Very important. If your guitar is not in tune, you are not going to make any nice sounds there, and it's going to frustrate you, and you're going to throw away the guitar and stop any kind of learning. So thankfully nowadays we've got this electronic tuner. Electronic tuner makes life much easier to tune your guitar. So the song that you want to play, for example, let's just have a quick look at Lolilwe. That's fine. So quick, I said we're gonna put our guitar in tune quickly. So learning how to tune a guitar is something that is basic. You've got your guitar tuner, and I'm putting it in the scale of G. G, if you look at it, I've put it in the scale of G. You put it here. This top one is the E. Let's make sure that it's in E. Okay, let me detune it a little bit to get into E. Fine, it's in E now. This one is A. Second one from the top. Here it's in tune. This one is D string. D, D, D is in tune. This one is a G string. G, G, G is in tune. This one is a B string. B, B, B. And again, this one is an E string, the smallest one. So that's an E, there's another E. This one, E. Alright, that's fine. So I can turn that off. So going to our G major scale, it consisted, this is G major. Hold it here, hold it here, hold it here. That's your G major. Then you also have C major, C for Charlie. Then D major, D for Delta, D major. Then the other common one is E minor, is here. E minor. Then A minor is also part of this scale of the G major scale. So that's A minor. So a lot of songs, they are played around these scales. Many nice international hits, they are played around these chords, especially, for example, the song in particular that we're going to do, Lolilwe, is played just using G major, C major, D major, and E minor. That's it. So there are three chord progressions that are used. The first chord progression is G major, then it's C major, then it's D major. G major, C major, and D major. So Lolilwe wahi tutula. So the Lolilwe wahi is the G major, Lolilwe, and wahi, that's C major. Tutula, that's D major. So Lolilwe wahi tutula. Lolilwe wahi tutula. Lolilwe wahi tutula. Right, that's fine. So the second chord progression that we need to do is you go back again to G major, then E minor. So Lolilwe wahi tutula. So the other tutula is done on D minor. That's the first. D major, sorry, that's the first tutula. Then the second tutula is done on E minor. So Lolilwe wahi tutula. That's the D one. Lolilwe wahi tutula. That's the E minor one. Then we go back to C major. Lolilwe wahi tutula. That's D. Nangesiza, it's done on D. So Lolilwe wahi tutula. Lolilwe wahi tutula. E minor. Lolilwe wahi C major tutula. Nangesiza. That's the second chord progression that we did. It's G major, E minor, C major, D major. Then the third chord progression that you are going to learn is G, D, G. Nangesiza G, D, G. Right, so let's start again. The first one, G major, C major, D major. That's first chord progression. Then the second one, G major, E minor, C major, D major. Then the third chord progression is G, D, G. That's it. So let's go. Lolilwe wahi, Lolilwe wahi tutula. Lolilwe wahi tutula. E minor. Lolilwe wahi tutula. Nangesiza G, D, G. Lolilwe wahi tutula. Lolilwe wahi tutula. E minor. Lolilwe wahi. G, D. Sula sanye besim tapete. Sula sanye besim tapete. Sula sanye besim tapete. Nangesiza G, D. But then in this song, you need to start it really low so that you can be able to do the chorus. So that would be like Lolilwe wahi tutula. Lolilwe wahi tutula. Lolilwe wahi tutula. Nangesiza G, D, G. Lolilwe wahi tutula. Lolilwe wahi tutula. Lolilwe wahi tutula. Nangesiza G, D, G. Sule sanye besim tapete. Sule sanye besim tapete. E minor. Sule sanye besim tapete. Nangesiza G, D. Lolilwe wahi tutula. Lolilwe wahi tutula. Lolilwe Imai Aufuna hai Kukuya Tanasa Ji 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 Nasulu Engosini Sali Melezata Imai Yahuna hai Kuyakuna Tanasa Ji Ji Lolilwe Lolilwe Wahai Titilam Lolilwe Wahai Titilam Lolilwe Wahai Titilam Nangasisa Lolilwe Wahai Titilam Lolilwe Wahai Titilam Lolilwe Wahai Titilam Nangasisa Maufuna hai